Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Hollow from Hollow's Bays, and welcome back to another unboxing special. Today, I'm going to be unboxing CX-05 Hell's Reaper Random Booster. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys, I do like of the Dran, the Wizard, and the Reaper, evolution line. The Reaper evolution line is honestly, I'm not going to lie, my favorite. I'm honestly saying this because of color scheme and design alone. So, when Hell's Reaper came out, I'm not gonna lie, I was hyped. I was hyped because I was also really curious on how they would have did Reaper, and with the videos I've seen, I mean, I'm excited about it. So let's take a look at the back. Okay, so the main prize for this random booster is the Hell's Reaper Bay. It's a balance type. It's a right spinning balance type. And over here we have the Hell's Reaper lock chip, the Reaper blade, and I cannot remember the name of the assist blade off rip. I think it's guys, let me know in the comments on what the name of the assist blade is, because I cannot remember for the life of me. I think it's changed. I think it's changed because I'm seeing the C for the Rhino Reaper. Oh no, it's turn. My bad. Jesus, I can't read. I'm stupid, y'all. I'm sorry. But yeah, and the turn assist blade. I'm sorry, y'all. It's been a long day. And if you've seen my previous unboxing video with Fox Brush, yeah, I'm still kind of flabbergasted by the fact I ended up getting two of the black Fox Brushes. Like that the chances, guys, the chances. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open, and let's see how my luck ended up with this one. Okay, just like in the last unboxing video, I'm just gonna go off of feel from the bit and see which bay I got. The only difference is, gonna bring the box. Okay, I know what dot feels like from feel alone. I know what low flat feels like. And I know what orb feels like. So from going on bit alone, there's a possibility I could get either the blue, Hell's Arc, the Black Phoenix, or Rhino Reaper. But if I don't, then there's a possibility. Now, if I don't feel any of these just off of the bit alone, then there's a potential I've gotten any of the bays with the kick bit. But let's see and find out. Hopefully luck is on my side this time, guys. All right, starting off with a bit. From feel, this feels like orb. This feels like orb. This feels like orb, but I may be wrong. Survey says it's orb. Oh, you know what this means, guys. You know what this means. Oh. Okay. Okay, got another 385. Yep, another 385 in this blue. Man, oh god. I'm not gonna lie, like the 385s are just weird to me. They're just weird to me. But knowing that, Okay. That lets me know that I ended up with the blue Hell's Arc with the turn assist blade. Like this, like, you know what? I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad about this one. Like the 385. I'm not really too worried about. I could probably change this out with probably like a 3 or 960 or whatever. But I'm not mad. This looks dope. This looks really dope. Like I do love the blue and the purple. The the gear chip just looks clean with the blue and the green fire. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad about this. But let's go ahead and get the weights in and see how much this bad boy weighs out. All right. First, we're gonna start off with the gear chip for the Reaper Arc. All right, 1.73. Now I'm going to compare it to the one of the Black Foxes. 1.75. Okay, not bad, not bad. All right, now we have the Arc Blade. 29.43. All right. Now let's see how that one compares to the brush blade. 31.0 or 30.01. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. All right, now for the turn assist blade. This, like, I'm not gonna lie, the turn assist blade actually looks kind of cool. Looks wonky. Weird. I like it. All right. See how much that weighs out. 5.83. Nice. And now for compare it to Jaggy. 4.81. Not bad. Okay. All right. Now for the 385 ratchet. I'm pretty sure this is probably going to be very light. The 385s are always light. 4.81. Okay. 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 Now we're going to compare it to the 080. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. Okay. All right. Now we're going to have the Orbit. Now it's crazy because now I have the blue Hell's Chain and now, yeah, I have the blue Hell's Chain, the blue Hell's Hammer, and now the blue Hell's Arc. That's actually kind of cool. But let's see how much that weighs out. 1.95. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Compared to this wall. All right. All right, now we got Hell's Arc on full blade with the assist and gear chip. 36.99. Okay, pretty standard. All right, now for the Hell's Arc full combo. 43.74. Nice. Okay. Oh, nope. Dropped down to 72. So 43.72. Okay, still. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Alright, let's go ahead and get this bad boy into the stadium and see what he can do. Alright, guys, and the first opponent for the stock Hell's Arc on turn 385 orb will be his predecessor, or one of his predecessors, Chain Incendio on 980 orb. Let's see how this battle turns out, and let's see if his predecessor is better than his most recent evolution. Okay. Okay. Ooh, okay. Seems like they're doing good. Seems like they're keeping up with each other. Alright. And looks like Hell's Art got his first win. Okay. Ooh, nice. Nice hit. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Shane Incendio. Chancellor looks like he got a win. He got a win. And that's 1 point. Alright, now for the next few battles, I'm going to flip the assist blade and see how that goes. Oh, okay. Wow. Wow, okay. Alright, that's 2 points for Hell's Reaper. Dang. There we go. Come on. Ooh, big hits. Going tit for tat right now. Looks like Hell's Chain's holding on. Trying to. And that's a... Nope, wrong button. It's 2 points for Hell's Art. Oh! And I don't know how that happened, but Hell's Chain done took the W. Wow, that was completely unexpected. Okay, and that was with the assist blade switch, which I'm gonna keep for like the rest of the battle or for the rest of the video. But wow, that was wild. Okay, next opponent. All right, you guys, the next opponent up against the Hell's Arcs stock combo is going to be his other predecessor, the blue Hell's Hammer on 960 point. Let's see how this battle turns out. Ooh, nice hit. Ooh, that was a good hit from Hell's Art. Okay. Looks like Hell's Hammer might have this one. Yep, Hell's Hammer actually took that one. Via spin finish. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm concerned that's okay. I mean, they did make contact, but I'm giving them another go on that one. Ooh, big hit from Hell's Hammer. Okay, good counter. Ooh. And looks like another point for Hell's Hammer. Ooh, almost. Ooh, that was a good save from Hell's Arc. Hell's Hammer got him. Oh, no. Hell's Arc got it. Let's go. Alright. That's a spin finish for him. Clutched it. Not bad. Next round. Hell's Hammer almost took himself out. Nice. Ooh, almost. And that's 3 points for Hell's Hammer. Woo! Oh, he came out. Let's go. Oh. Oh no. And that's a dub for Hell's Hammer. Looks like guys, we gotta stop sleeping on Hell's Hammer. Seriously. Gotta stop sleeping on him. But let's go ahead and move on to the, let's say, I wanna say his third opponent, but this time we're gonna make this one a combo battle and see how that turns out. And alright guys, so for this combo battle, I think this one's gonna be pretty interesting. I'm not gonna lie here. So I got Hell's Slash on Jaggy 960 point versus Fox Brush Slash 380 Cyclone. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually kinda hyped and or very curious about how this battle's gonna turn out. So let's not waste any more time and let's get it. Oh, off the dribble, wow. 2 points for the Fox Brush combo. Okay, wow. Let's try that again. Ooh. Oh, really big hits. That was a big hit. That was a monster hit. Jesus. All that movement. Alright, that's one. That's one for Hell Slash. Oh, he came out. Yo, he came out. Let's go. Fox Brush came out the pocket. But can he win it? I don't think he's gonna win it. I don't think he's gonna win it. Oh, he clutched it. No. He clutched it. He came out the pocket. He came out the pocket and clutched the dub. No. Yo, alright. Another round. Aw, oh, dang. Dang. That is for the Fox Brush combo. My God, that's wild. Okay. All right. Ooh, big hit off the rip. Ooh. And spin finish. Okay, let's see if we can at least get one win with this combo right here. Let's see if we can at least get one win. Come on. Ooh. There we go. There we go. Hell Slash. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see. Alright, let's see if we can do that again. Let's see if we can remake that win and actually give you some points. Oh, they both missed. Ooh. Okay, slow down. And yeah. Okay. Alright. One more. One more battle, guys. One more. Woo! Okay. That was random. Okay. Just circling them. Battle stamina at this point. It's amazing to me, like how good Cyclone's been doing in this battle so far. it's a tie. And it's a draw. Alright. Well, it looked like a tie. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. If that was a tie, or did Hell Slash take that win, but we're going again. Ooh, nice hit. Nice hits. Okay. Ooh. Oh, the destabilization. There it is. There it is. Oh, what? Wow, that was a very clutch win for Fox Bush. Wow. All right. Woo. Extreme dashes. Ooh. Come on, guys, stay in. All right. Spin finish. Nice. Oh. And unfortunately, guys, Fox Brush done stole the show. Dang. See that score? 12-4? Yeah. Wow. That's insane. Maybe we'll try one more combo. But we're still gonna go up against this Fox Brush combo right here, because this is doing some work. Surprisingly, actually. But yeah, same opponent, but different Hells combo. Alright, y'all, we're gonna try Hells Dark on turn 960 paper versus the Fox Brush on slash 380 Cyclone. Let's get it. Woo, okay. Oh, alright. Ooh. Okay. First try, Hell's Dark. We'll spin finish. Good hits on the extreme line, and he clutched a 3. Woo! He clutched a 3. Nice. All right. Looks like somebody's getting their get back. We're gonna go again. Come on, Hillsart. Oh, and that's what I'm talking about. Yo. He is clutching these wins right now. Let's go. Ooh, big hits. Fox Brush come on the attack. Ooh, almost. Hit him with the destabilization. And Fox Brush got one. He got tired of getting disrespected. He got that one. Ooh, okay. Come on, what you got, Hell's Dark? What you got? Oh, got him. 7. Yeah, I feel like this combo's doing some work, guys. Let's give him a couple more rounds. Woo, big hit. Ooh. I mean, he was just coming from every direction, man. He was making sure. Dang. That's 8 points. Go! Put him in the pocket. That's what I'm saying, my guys. Yes. All right. One more battle just to see. One more. Okay. Oh, Fox Brush clapped back. Oh no. Fox Brush. Oh God, I can't even speak. Box Brush lid clapped back on him. Wow, okay. We have to give it another go now. Oh! Hit him with a burst. Hell's Dark's hit. Alright, I see that disrespect. I'm gonna raise you one more. Wow. Straight burst. Alright, I know I said one more, but legitimately one more because wow. Just wow. Ooh, nice hits. And looks like we're going to right there, 13-3. Guys, from what you just seen right there, right? From what you just seen right there, right? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna tell you guys what it is again. Hell's Dark turn 960 taper. I did not expect this combo to be as good as it is. I'm shocked. Yeah. Guys, please try this combo out. It's fun. It's very fun. Honestly, I think I'm gonna most likely probably make a short using this combo specifically. I'm not gonna lie. But that is it for the battle portion of the video. Alright, you guys, and that concludes the unboxing special for the Hell's Reaper Random Booster Pack. Now, I will admit, I will get more, because I do want that actual prize pair of the Hell's Reaper. But this to me is a very close second, because at least I got the gear chip of Hell's. And I'm gonna be doing more combos with this one, because I'm curious to see what I can do. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, hit the notification bell, and subscribe for more content by your boy. I hope you guys have a good day and or night. Peace.